Where are the fuse boxes located in the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse, and how can I find the fuse box diagram? Can you explain the purpose of each fuse block, including the engine compartment and interior fuse boxes? What is the best way to identify and replace specific fuses in this model? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse protects critical systems like the engine, cooling fans, and ABS. It includes clearly labeled fuses and relays for easy identification and replacement. The fuse block ensures electrical safety by preventing overloads and managing power distribution to vital components. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse safeguards interior electrical systems such as the radio, climate control, and power windows. It is conveniently located behind the passenger side dashboard for easy access. Labeled fuses allow for quick identification and replacement, helping prevent electrical malfunctions in the vehicle's interior components. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2023 Chevrolet Traverse protects electrical components located at the rear, such as the tail lights and power liftgate. It is situated in the cargo area, making it easily accessible for maintenance. The block features a labeled diagram for quick reference, allowing for efficient identification and replacement of fuses.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.